Hello everyone, welcome back to Pursue the Hunt. I'm your host Mike Friesen, and in today's episode,
Bye! Hi everyone, I'm your co-host Isla Friesen, and in today's episode, I have my LEA straw for mule deer doe, and I'm going to harvest that with a crossbow. It opens December 1st. We're going to go set up a food plot, practice, stay tuned.
we are on our way to...
Michael, exam, not practice, exam.
We are going, she is writing her hunting exam test today. I'm super excited. I honestly...
cry if
I may cry because honestly, I've been waiting for this day for like 10 years, like since the day she was born. So, before we let you know what's going on, we're gonna call my wife and going live.
Hello. Hi.
Hey, you're on camera.
So... I passed! Honey, that is so good. I'm so proud of you.
So stoked. So
Are you
stoked.
proud of yourself? Yeah. Yes, I bet.
Yeah. Alright, so we are done mowing the plot that we want to set out. Now we're going to figure out where to put the stand and have an idea. Usually the prevailing winds are come at east-southeast-ish. We don't get a lot of northeast winds, so I think we'll set it back in this area here, which kind of gives us the whole corner to see does coming in, and we'll set some trail cams out and see what we can catch.
So right now my dad is setting up trail cams by the game trail leading to the food plot. So we can pattern when the deer are coming in and out and make our plan. Yeah.
And this one is set. Morning, Isla.
Morning.
How are we feeling this morning?
Good. I've got the feeling, so we're probably gonna shoot something, but the dad has the feeling, so his feeling's stronger than ours, so.
What are we hunting this morning?
Today is opening day for my doe tag. So we're gonna shoot one today.
Which species of deer are we hunting?
Mule deer.
Correct. Yep, we're gonna head out to the blind.
goes the jam.
Making some lunch. Well, we have not seen any deer yet, and the sun is rising. It is pretty much 10 o'clock. We haven't been able to check the trail cams yet, so they could have been in here last night feeding, which means we might be looking at an afternoon appearance, but nothing better to teach patience than to just sit here and wait. Seen a deer all day.
And she showed up at work.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
I'm shaking so hard.
I'm pretty sure.
Those does don't even care.
I'm pretty sure you just shot your first animal. What? We haven't seen a deer all day. I can't even right now.
Oh my gosh.
Holy cow.
I'm shaking.
So I just texted my wife, her mother, Carly. You fucking stoked right now.
Can't stop doing that now.
We're calling Carly.
Hey,
Doe down.
are you serious?
She just plugged a doe with the crossbow.
Baby.
It was a really good hit. We haven't left the blind yet though. There's two does eating at the food plot right now while we're on the phone. And Isla, her adrenaline just surged. She hasn't stopped shaking for like 20 minutes.
Isla, good job, honey. Thanks for calling. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting.
So Okay, well, we are here with Isla, and we have just tagged out on a beautiful doe muley. Opening day of her mule deer tag here in BC. She drew her LEH draw, and you know, she put in the work, she put in the time. We set up the food plot, and they were coming in, and it was just super awesome. Super awesome time. And yeah, she was kind of shaking, and we hadn't seen a deer all day. It was crazy. And then all of a sudden we looked up, middle of the afternoon, and there's 3 does in the food plot. But you know, we just went slow, and Isla made just a perfect shot in the lungs here. Really good ethical shot. And yeah, how do you feel, Isla? Like what was going through your mind there as you were looking at that deer in the scope?
Well, it was first what was going through my brain is like, oh wait, I can't shoot these anyway. Wait, I can. So I'm like, okay, I'll just pretend this is a target at home that I'm practicing on. And
here we are. And you know, that just goes to show how much practice really does pay off. And her being a new hunter, you know, I really wanted to just get after her and make sure that she practiced a lot. And you know, here we are. You know, a tag punched opening day season. What a great season we had here. Season 2 with Pursue the Hunt. And to cap it off this way, I just could not be more proud as a father. And just when your kids follow in your footsteps, there's just no greater feeling. And being behind the camera was more exciting for me. It was just such a great special moment, and I love you. Good job.
thank you.
Okay, and we're gonna get this doe gutted and back to the shop, and we'll skin it and get it in the cooler. All right, time to get to work. Do it?
I don't know.
Let's get it on the edge. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! It's like a drawer. All right, Isla. So you're working with meat, you're working with a knife. How are we doing here?
Fine, haven't cut myself.
Okay, well that's a win.
So we got a tenderloin roast, and you could fold it back and tie it if you want that way. Or we're gonna wait for the second one and we're gonna put 2 of them together. With some ribs, some backstrap steaks or New Yorks, a boneless ribeye steak, and then 6 tomahawks.